I'm on the outside.
Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I got another shoe restoration for you. And here they are. The Adidas Energy Boost. Pretty sure Pure Boost or Energy Boost. I'm not completely sure, but I'll have to look it up. Cause look, this part looks like Energy Boost, but then it's not all like that. So this part kind of looks like Pure Boost. So I'm not completely sure, but I'm gonna have to look it up if they're Energy Boost or Pure Boost. But whatever the title is, that's what these are. But I got them from a friend, and he said he doesn't fit in them anymore or something. So I was like, I can clean them up and then sell them. So I'm gonna restore them back and then sell them to somebody. And so yeah, let's get into the restoration. Alright, so first off, the Boost part, it's got lots of mud and stuff in between the little foam things. They're all put together, and also this part, the fabric part, is pretty dirty too, so I'm just gonna clean those things up and then see how they look and then maybe sell them. Also, I might do a little customization with some paint, cause look, Adidas logo here is all black. These the three stripes here are all black, but this is red, and this Adidas logo is red too. So I might paint these, and also the upper sole right here is black too. So I don't know why they just had it red here, but I'm probably just gonna make that black or paint it black somehow. Probably not in this video though, cause I gotta get the paint. And so let's get to the sink. Alright, so here they are. Just really muddy and stuff, and also in here some mud and stuff. So all you need, tissues as normal. Also, I'm probably gonna unlace them because the laces are kind of dirty. So unlace these. Alright, so I have both the laces here. All you gotta do is get a cup, mix it with some hot water, and then some soap, and then just stir it all up a lot, and then add some more water, and then put the laces in. It works really well with these. And then just let them sit, or you can stir them around some more. And then you can add some more soap if you want. And then stir them around in the cup. And then just let them sit somewhere for a little while. And then you get these shoes. Just do one at a time. So this one, the bottom's pretty muddy and stuff. So just get one tissue, get some soap, put it on it, some water, and then just keep scrubbing a lot. And that's all you pretty much need to do. Because tissues have like some kind of fabric, or I don't know, something that gets in between these grooves, like where the foam pieces are. And so you can already see a little bit of a difference if you work a lot. This wash it off. can already see different. This is the part I clean, this is the part that's not clean. And so, yeah, that's all I pretty much need to do. Also, if you have a brush here, like this, you can put some soap and stuff on it and then rubbing it to boost, because they got little bristles that can get in between these things that the tissue can't do. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Or to try it. Some soap and water. And some more soap. Because I want to be able to sell these so they're going to look good. And just keep scrubbing at the part. And it's already working a lot well. Alright, so the boost part is looking a little more better. But I can get a lot more of that later. But now it's time for the top part. And that's easy. All you gotta do is just put your hand in and just scrub it. And then it'll be clean a lot more. And that's all you pretty much have to do. Alright, so this is looking a lot more better. I gotta just wash it off. Alright, so compare back part. This is the clean one, but you probably already know that. And then the sides don't look all that different because they were kind of clean anyway. Then top. And this is all wet still, so not all that great. So yeah, it's looking better than they already were, but they gotta look way better than that to be in order to sew them. So I'm just gonna wipe them a lot more. Alright, so I'm pretty much done with this shoe. Now on to the next one. The next one is just the same exact thing. So I'm just gonna fast forward to it. Alright. So here are the laces after they've been sitting inside the cup, and it did remove a lot of dirt and stuff. So all you gotta do now, get like a towel or something and just squeeze it together and pull the laces through. Same with the other one. And now they look a lot more cleaner. Come on, camera, focus on it. Yep, they look a lot more cleaner. So, yep, that's gonna be pretty much it for the restoration. Alright, so I think the restoration turned out pretty good. It still got mud in it, but thing with Boost, if you walk around in a clean area while it's in the rain, or just just walk around in a bunch of water for a while, or just play basketball in a watery area without slipping, that gets most of the mud out of it. But it's kind of good to have some mud in it in Boost, because it makes it look more like Boost, so people recognize it as like their a Boost kind of shoe. So now you just have to lace them. Just moving that down. That's easy. All you gotta do is put the lace part in the hole and then pull it through and make sure they're even. Alright, so they're restored a lot. They're not all the way dry yet, so they look kind of dirty, but they're pretty, once they're dry, they look good. Also I factory laced them, so you can just tuck it in and it looks good. But I don't even have a box for them, so I don't even know why I factory laced them, but yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching with the Adidas Pure Boost or Ultra Boost. And yeah, that's the end of this video. Goodbye.
Hey, gang, I'm just back home, guap. Why you niggas on some broke shit? My brother stay strapped, pop any nigga on that whole shit. Internet shooters, man, these niggas ain't gon' blow shit.